Hello store owners! Today, I'll show you how to import wholesale data into your store in bulk using WooCommerce's own import and export tools. Right now, I'm on my shop as a wholesale customer, and these are exactly the kind of wholesale prices we can manage for hundreds of products at once with a simple CSV file. Let's head into Products, All Products. Up at the top, you'll spot two buttons, Export and Import. We use Export first to pull out a template of our product data, then Import to bring the finished file back in. First, I'll open the Export tool. The key step for wholesale is this checkbox, yes, Export All Custom Meta. That makes sure your wholesale fields like wholesale customer wholesale price come along in the file. From here, you'd click Generate CSV to download it. Now for the upload. Once you've added your wholesale prices to that file, come back and open the Import tool. I'll choose my finished CSV file. There it is, loaded up. I'll tick Update Existing Products so my current items get the new prices and click Continue. WooCommerce reads the file and automatically maps the columns for me, including our wholesale price field, ready to import. From there, it's just one click on Run the Importer, and the wholesale data is applied across every product. And that's the whole flow. Export your products with custom meta, add your wholesale data in the CSV, then import it right back. Here on my products page, everything is ready to go. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.